Hello everyone, in this tutorial video I explain how pressure is defined, both mathematically and conceptually. The conceptual definition of pressure is a pressing force, as you might guess from the word, and is always perpendicular to whatever it is pressing down upon. For example, if you touch your desk with your finger, you are exerting pressure, because you are applying a force perpendicular to its area. However, pressure is greater if you concentrate it over a small area, like a fingertip, versus a larger area, like the entire palm of your hand. This leads us to the mathematical definition of pressure equals force divided by area. So a smaller area has a much greater pressure, while a larger area is not as forceful. Many mechanical objects, such as nails, take advantage of this fact by having a very small surface area at the tip, so it has a pressure great enough to penetrate most solids. With the basic definition of pressure out of the way, I can give you a definition of fluids before we study fluid mechanics in the next tutorial video, including an explanation of why a gas, such as the air in the atmosphere, is also a fluid, even though that seems counterintuitive to our everyday experience. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.